Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the car and creating clear access. Disconnect the negative battery to avoid shorts. Once done, remove any obstructing components like the airbox or battery tray. Use a 10 mm socket or release quick clips. Now focus on the headlight rear cover. Twist it counterclockwise or depress the retaining tabs and pull it off. This exposes the bulb socket. You're working from the engine bay side, so position a flashlight and prepare the replacement H11 bulb within reach. With the cover off, identify the retaining mechanism. Some darts use a spring clip, others a twist socket. Release or rotate to free the bulb. Carefully pull the bulb straight out. Do not touch the glass with bare fingers because oils cause hot spots and premature failure. Compare the new H11 bulb to the old one for matching base and wattage. If all matches, insert the new bulb into the socket, re-engage the clip or rotate until it locks, and confirm it. After seating the bulb and securing the socket, replace the rear cover and reattach any parts you removed. Tighten bolts or clips. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and then switch on the headlights to test low and high beams. Make sure the beam pattern is even and not aimed wrong. If the lamp flickers or won't light, make sure the connector pins are clean, the ground is tight, and check the headlamp fuse. Finally, adjust aim if needed and close the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.